Hello friends, it's Brandy. Welcome to my video for the Pinkfresh Friday YouTube and Instagram hop. This is a very short video. I'm not going to do a lot of talking. I'm going to just mention a couple of things and then I'm going to leave you guys with some music to finish the video out. I'm using a cut file from HipKit Club, and if I can find the link to it, I will put it in the description. It is a really old one, so if it's not there, then you guys know that I couldn't find it. But I went ahead and off camera backed it with all of my papers from Pinkfresh. And honestly, this is a really, I'm just mixing up old collections. So I'm not 100% sure what everything actually is, but I do know that the papers I used are from My Favorite Story and from Office House. My Favorite Story and Office House. And I did use the 6x6 paper pack to also help back a couple of those leaves there, and the blue flower. Also, the only other thing that I'm using is some pops of color at the very end of the video. So I'm going to leave you guys with some music now. I hope you enjoy. I really appreciate you guys sticking around with me. Thank you so much. Don't forget to hop on over to the other ladies' videos and Instagram so you can see what everyone else is doing in the hop, because I can promise you there are going to be some incredibly beautiful layouts for you guys to enjoy. Thanks again. I hope you all have a lovely crafty day. Bye-bye.